Good morning, my name's Kingsley and welcome to another Digital Profiling Thursday tip. Now today what I want to touch on is learning and executing. Now I know that might sound a little bit strange being the end of the year. We've only got less than 5 weeks I think until actually Christmas hits us. So why look at learning and executing at the moment? Well, the reason is because right now your competition is all slowing down. They've got a pipeline of some possible listings that may come on before Christmas, some that are going on after Christmas. They're starting to slow down. Right now is a perfect opportunity, perfect time for you to gain some skills, be able to put them into practice so that you can gain a little bit of momentum this year. But more importantly, you can start off 2020 with an incredible amount of momentum that will take you through the rest of the year if you build on what happens now. Right at the moment, we're in the middle of training with a bunch of different agencies, individual agents as well, for social media training and video training, going absolutely fantastically well. And each time we do this, it totally changes mindsets, totally changes the way they believe what they can get out of who they are as an agent or an agency as well, which is so exciting to me because it means what we're doing is drawing out what's already inside of people, showing them what they can do, and then they're grabbing this and running with it and making a massive difference to their personal lives and to their business. And you can do exactly the same thing. So today, I just want to be very quickly hitting on 3 important elements. I believe that if you take these on board and really focus on doing these, will totally change your business over the next 12 months or so. Now, what we're doing basically is going back to the basics, fundamentals, nothing out there as far as being brand new ideas or anything, but they're fundamentals that we often don't take the time to implement or think about and then base what we do with our videos and social off of that. So the first one we want to look at is, who are you? Who are you? What do you like? Who are you as an agent? Who are you as an individual person? Who are you as a family person? Whatever role it is, who are you? What gets you excited? See, quite often we'll go out there and we'll do videos or social posts or whatever of what we believe we think people are wanting to see and hear. But reality is, well, we nearly blew the camera over. The reality is, all people want to do and see is a real you with great content that's going to help them and serve them. So when I'm talking about this, I've got clients at the moment who are into biking. So some of the things that they can do is talk about bike tracks, the best places to ride the bikes, hilly areas to go to, any tracks that are around, velodromes that are around, where to go, the coffee shops, because we all know the bikers are going to coffee shops, whole bunch of things like that. Now what happens, no, we don't want everything to be about that, but they'll get a good following based on that. You may be a coffee lover. Hello. Not many of people out there aren't, but if you are, can you go to different cafes each week and do a bit of a rundown, maybe interview each cafe owner, talk about the coffee, what you liked about it, the service, all that sort of thing. You will gain a big following of people just by doing that, very, very simply. There could be other things in and around the community, how you get involved, what you enjoy, what you're part of. There's so many different things you can come up with, but just think about who you are as a person, think about your community and what you can do to give people good ideas, good thoughts, good content, as well as being part of the real estate information that you're giving out to people as well. So that's number 1. Who are you? Number 2, again, real basics here, real basics. Take time to plan. So what I mean by that is get out a calendar. Maybe it's a December and a January 31 day calendar. Just print it off, go back old school, get a pen out and write down what posts are you going to put in each day. Is it going to be a video? Is it going to be a quote card? Is it going to be an image? What are you going to be talking about? Because there's so many things that you can actually talk about and post, particularly in this time of year, that are out there. People are looking. Right now, over this Christmas and New Year period, there are so many people who are taking their time because they've got time, they're going to be working or not working, and they're going to be sitting on their phone scrolling through, and if they see you on Facebook or Instagram, or LinkedIn, or maybe checking out your YouTube channel, or somewhere else you may be posting at the moment already on TikTok, if they're scrolling through there, they're seeing who's been selling, who's listing, they're seeing the results that's happening, who's got the good information, who knows about the area, who knows about the community. This is what we want to get out to people and give them very, very good reasons to get in touch with you. So go down and plan every single day over the next, say, couple of months, particularly this time of year, would be fantastic. And if you get the right information to them, you're all planned, you're scheduled, so that what you can do is then just block out some time and begin to put the posts and the videos, etc. in place and have a whole bunch of stuff done, so that when you're on holidays, enjoying yourself, people think you're working really, really hard to serve them. But you've already done a lot of hard work, you deserve a break, and then come in the listings and the buyers and the people that you're looking for. So that's number 2. The third thing we want to look at is, particularly this time of year, as I did mention, go over this time of year, have a look what's going on with the year. We're at Christmas, we've got Boxing Day, we've got New Year's Day, we've got Australia Day coming up. There's so many different elements of this particular couple of months, with so many holidays, so many different celebrations and things going on. It is the ultimate time to be able to, in a serving way, not on a trying to get way, but in a serving time, offer people goodwill, offer them thoughts, offer them ideas and processes and good content, information they were going to want to hear. So think deeply, think clearly about what's going on at this time of year, and how can you help people through this time of year, and how can you help them on their real estate journey now and also into the future. And as you begin to do this, you'll build one thing on top of the other, on top of the other, until you become or maintain the go-to agent in the area, very, very clearly, very, very specifically for who you are. So have a look at those 3 things, see what you can do, take that and implement that now. Because if you take it and implement it now while the rest of your competitors are out there starting to take time off and winding down, just working with what they've got, you're setting yourself up to be in the very, very best position possible. You'll be the go-to agent in your area if you strategically work and plan at it, without a doubt. If you've got any more questions, let me know, and happy to help you. Also remember, we're changing formats completely next year. I cannot wait till it starts. We've got some great interviews lined up with some impressive coaches, real estate agents, the best people in the country, as well as other great tips and ideas and thoughts. And I would love to hear from you as well. Do you have any questions, any thoughts, any things you've been wondering about? How do you go about this? Let us know about it. We will answer those questions. We'll talk to experts as well about those various things. Don't forget to like and click on the bell on the YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for a whole bunch more information. Have a fantastic day. Look forward to catching up with you next week.